Hi, welcome back. So in this video, we will fetch the brands from the Firebase real-time database endpoint brands in our main fragment. So let's get started. Now coming to the fragment main, in below of the dot indicator, what we need a text view, width 0 dp and height. I will give wrap content, and then it will show the text brand, text size 16 scale pixel, text color black, text style bold, margin start 16 dp, top margin 16 dp, and it should appear in bottom of the dot indicator. Start off parent and to start off text see all brands. Okay, so again one more text view, wrap content. Here I need to give the id, text brand title, and here I need to give the id, text see all brand, and then text see all, text size 14 scale pixel, then text color, it's also text color I will give as a hollow blue dark. Okay, text style bold, margin and 16 density pixel, then top of text brand title, and then bottom of text brand title, and end to end of. All right, now what we need a recycler view. So now we will add a recycler view in which we will be fetching our total number of brands. So 0 dp and then 100 dp. id I will give recycler view brands, then margin top 8 dp. I will give horizontal padding horizontal 16 dp, then layout manager I will take as a linear layout manager, top to brand title, then start of parent and to end of parent. So our UI part for brands is done. Now what we need to add a item for brands which we will bind with brand adapter. So here I will add a new layout for brand. So I will make it as a linear layout. Orientation I want vertical. Now under this I want to use circle. Now under this I want to use a circle image. So this is the dependency which we have already added in our starter project, and this is 70 dp, this is 70 dp. The scale type we want center crop. Source I will add a logo first in this. So this is our logo. I have added a logo. Now I will call it logo, and then crop to padding to, and padding I will give 3 dp, and border width I will give 2 dp, and border color I will give gray. Okay, and then we need to add a text view for brand name. So I will wrap width and height I will added a wrap content, and then gravity I want layout gravity should be center so that our text should appear in center. Then text I will add a name, and then text size I will add a 10 scale pixel. Text style should be bold. Font family I will give a bold. I will assign the id to name. Now our this name is not appearing in below of the image view, so what I will do, I will make linear layout to wrap and wrap content. So now it is appearing fine. Now we will add a brand adapter. Okay, now go to adapters package and add a brand adapter. brand adapter. So this brand adapter, what it will do, it will connect the UI elements with the item brand and will help to show in our main fragment in a horizontal recycler view. So for horizontal recycler view, what we need to add a orientation to horizontal. I will show you the list item as a brand. Now we can see brands appear in a horizontal view. Now come to the brand adapter. So I just copy and paste the brand adapter logic. Okay, and what we need to give the ID to this image view. So I will give image brand logo. Okay, now our error is gone. So what it will do, it is basically bind our view element to this adapter. So this glide library will help to load the image in this image view, circular image. Now what we will do, we will define a logic. So we will fetch the brands from the brands endpoint. So in the home view model, we will fetch the brands image and brands name. So what we will do, we will just copy and paste the logic to reuse the code. So here what we will do, this is a brands. Okay, and here model we need to use brand. Similarly in live data. Now here what I will do, I will make a function to fetch the brands. Okay, now what we will do, under fetch brands, similar to this logic for banners, I will just reuse this logic here for brands. See, you can see and compare the logic. It is quite same, right? Now our fetch brands logic is done in home view model. Now we will observe in our main fragment. So coming to the main fragment, here we will observe the brands. So view model dot brands observe view lifecycle owner brand list. If brand list is not empty, brand adapter, we need to initialize the brand adapter first. Brand adapter, not banner, it's a brand adapter. Okay, now coming to below. Now here we need to initialize our brand adapter, brand list, brand open brand fragment. We will pass the brand. Now we will bind recycler view brands dot adapter is equal to brand adapter. Check data loaded. So under this function, what we will do, whenever user click on the brands image, they should navigate to the brand fragment screen. Okay, so what we will do, I will make a bundle. So here I will pass the name, brand name, find nav controller dot navigate brand fragment. This is, we are navigating from main fragment to brand fragment, and we will pass bundle. Okay, now we have to check the check data loaded. Now under this, what we will do, we need to make sure that view model brands value should be not empty. Okay, now our logic for fetching the brands is completed. Now let's run in the emulator and see the output. Okay, now we can see our image with brands is fetching from the brands endpoint. So that's it for today. See you in the next video. Thank you.